Hello everyone, so if you haven't heard already, the Blender developers just recently released a video game called Dog Walk, and it was created with Blender and the Godot game engine. So I'll have a link in the video description to the game trailer video as well as this page here on Blender Studio so you can read more about the game, and also a link to the game on Steam if you want to download it and try it out for yourself. So in this video I'm going to be trying out the game. So the game was just released. I'm filming this video on July 12th and it was just released on the 11th of July. So it looks like a really fun game. Here is a trailer for the game, and I really like the stylized look. It's very cute, and I also like the hand-painted kind of stylized textures. And it's pretty cool that this game was completely created with free and open source programs. This is a very different video on my channel because I've never actually played a video game on my YouTube channel before because I mostly just make Blender tutorials, and I like that you can like move your mouse over the letters. That's pretty cool. It's interactive. There's some different settings here, but I'll just leave these settings how they are. I kind of look through these settings. So I'll go back here. So this is the first time I've played the game, so I've never played the game before. This is I believe you call it like a blind playthrough where you've like never played the game before. So I'm just gonna click here on new game and let's just start. Okay, so I'm just moving my mouse here. Okay, so it wants me to click here. Oh, I can bark. That's cool. Okay, the little kid picks up a stick. This is very cute already. And he's building the snowman. That's cool. Oh, come to the kid. Maybe I click on him. Oh, a treat. Awesome. Oh, you can even see like the footprints in the snow. That's a really cool effect. Okay, so I'm assuming we need to find more things to add to the snowman since we found that stick. It's cool that you can click to make the dog bark. Okay, so let's... Oh, there we go. Now we can actually go around. Let's look around here. I do want to just stop and like take a look at the textures and everything because I'm a 3D artist. I really like don't play games that much at all. I hardly ever play games, but I want to really take a look at like the texturing and kind of like the character animation because I do find that really interesting because that's like what I would create. I'm definitely not a game developer. I've never created any games, but of course I do a lot of 3D modeling. That's pretty cool. You can like run over the branches or run over the bushes and they fall down. It kind of looks like little, cardboard cutouts. And yeah, I do really love the hand painted stylized textures. All right, so let's actually go along here and explore this world. Campfire that way. Okay, that's cool. So if I need to like find my way back, I can just follow that sign. Just seeing what I can interact with. So I can run through the bushes. That's cool. Oh, here's a campfire. Oh, and there's a little bird, a little kind of greenish bird. Oh, he flew away. I kind of scared him away. Oh, we have some more signs. So it looks like maybe there's a lake and a forest this way. So let's go over here. Oh, there's a map. I wonder if I can click on the map. Nope, I can't really click on it, but it's cool. Oh, I can lick the kid. If I like click on him, I might be able to lick the kid. Let's try that again. Lick the kid. That's cute. Okay, let's go along here. See what I can find. Okay, forest that way. Oh, that's cool. There's a bridge. Yeah, so when your camera view kind of gets in the way of the trees just disappear. You can see as I run over to this tree, the tree just kind of disappears. So that's nice so that we can kind of still see what everything's happening. Because I don't think there's any way to rotate my view. I'm clicking the middle mouse wheel and I can't rotate my view, so. Alright, so it looks like it revealed something over there. So I need to find a way to get to it. Oh, here's something else. When I ran over here, the camera moved and it revealed this area. So I wonder if there's like a hidden path I need to find to get over there. That poor kid, I'm like dragging him behind. He's like, ow. I wonder if I can jump in the water. Let's try going in the water. Nope, I can't jump in the water. Come on, kid. I'm like dragging you behind. Come on. He's like slowing me down because I'm trying to pull him and he's just like laying around. What can I do? Maybe if I click on him, I can cheer him up. Oh, there we go. Is that better? Now is he gonna run? Aw, that's cute. Okay, maybe he's happy now. Not really. Let's keep going. He's like, ow, whenever he runs into a bush. Okay, there we go. The kid's happy again, so maybe he'll run along now. So I think I figured out how to get to that shovel. If I go down this path, I think I can get to the shovel back here. So I seem to have gotten myself stuck along this little post here, but let's see if I can get unstuck. Oh, there we go. Okay, finally. For a while I was stuck on that post. So I think if I go up this path, I think I can get to the shovel. There we go, okay. Can I collect the shovel? There we go, he's grabbing it. Oh, it's frozen stiff. There we go, awesome. Oh, treat. Alright, so now I'm gonna make my way back to the snowman. I find that if I just run a little bit slower, the kid kind of keeps up, so he doesn't like keep hitting into the bushes, and it actually works a bit better. So I like the music too, it's really cute. I think you can hear the music a little bit in the background. Okay, let's go this way, because we want to go back to... Here we go. Okay, we're back to the starting. Let's go over here. Can we use this? I was thinking maybe he can use this for something. Oh, okay, he's gonna do something. There we go. So now he has the shovel. But I think there's some more things. Okay, so we were looking for a hat, and we're also looking for a carrot nose. So I'm gonna go like the completely opposite direction. I'm gonna go up this way and see what I can find up here. So this is a new path I've never been on. Oh, this maybe ends. Can I go across it? Maybe if I jump? Nope, I can't. Well, let's go along here and see if there's a little bridge somewhere. Oh. So it looks like maybe there was a bridge, but it broke. Can I jump across? Maybe not. Oh, look at that. There's a little ball over there. Maybe to play fetch with the dog. Oh, here we go. Okay. I found another bridge. Looks like a goat, a sign with a goat on it. So let's see what we can find over here. But I want to check out that ball and see if we can play fetch with the ball. Are we stuck again? Oh, it's a gate. How do we get through here? Oh, I just need to get out of his way. Come on, open the gate. Come on. Open the gate. What is he up to? Oh, that works. Can we go through? Oh, he's smart. He's gonna open the gate from the other side. There we go. Okay, you need to come back here because I'm gonna get stuck. Come on, this way. There we go. Oh, another treat. Huh? Okay, let's go, little guy. Here we go. Okay, we made it into this new area. Oh, that's kind of cute. It's a little, like, stable. Okay, I think if I go through here, I might be able to go back to where that ball was. No, I think I'm gonna get stuck. Let's go back this way. Oh, poor guy. Come on. There we go. Oh, there, we found the ball. Awesome. Are we gonna play fetch? Eat the treat. Num num num. Okay, well, we at least collected the ball, so let's keep going and see if we can find something else. Well, I was a little disappointed in this area. Maybe I just missed something, but maybe it was just the ball. Maybe we were just supposed to find the little tennis ball. Unless there's something in here which I can't see. Alright, so let's head back through here and I'm gonna see if I can find some of the other objects. It looks like on the map that there is like a lake, like a large lake underneath us. So let's go down here and see if we can find anything. Maybe if we follow the river, we'll get to a lake. Are you stuck again? What's going on? Come on, little guy. Why are you just standing there? For some reason, this little kid doesn't want to go anywhere. We're just gonna have to pull him out of the shrubs. Okay, there we go. Let's go down this path. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's a frozen lake. Oh, that's cool. He's like scared. Whee! Woohoo! Oh, that is cool. If I just go in circles, I can really spin him. This reminds me of that one shot from like the Charlie Brown Christmas with, you know, the dog Snoopy and then all the kids like ice skating. Okay. So that map was a lot more useful than I thought. Across another bridge. Oh, here's another map. So I want to say we're like all the way down here at the very bottom of the map. So let's go up here and see if we can find anything. Oh, we've already been here. Okay, back to the map. Yeah, there's still, I think, quite a few spots we haven't explored. I think this very bottom corner I don't think we've explored, so let's go over here. Okay, now I'm gonna head up to the very top of the map. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we found the ball and the ball became his nose. So I thought we were gonna need to find a carrot, but we ended up just using the ball for his nose. So I think now I just need to find the top hat to finish the snowman. So I don't really know where to look, because I think, as far as I know, I've looked all the way around. I think there's some little markers wherever you're standing, because it looks like it moves wherever you're standing. There's that little speck there. You know, maybe at the lake there's something that I haven't found. Okay, here we are at the lake again. I'm gonna go around the perimeter and just try to find something. Okay, here's an area I haven't been to before. Oh, there's a fish under the water. That's cool. Oh, you know what? Maybe we're gonna use that for the top hat. Because I was realizing as I've been playing the game that all the items that you think you need to use, they're actually like different items in the same shape. So instead of a carrot nose, there was a ball. So I wonder if this could actually be used as the top hat. If I can somehow take this. Oh, here we go. Maybe this will work. Maybe I just need to like drag him over to it. Okay, grab it, grab it. There we go, okay. So actually I'd already been here, but I just hadn't thought about it. Maybe I need to help him? Oh, maybe I need to like pull now. Pull away. Let's see if pulling will help. There we go. Okay, I'm figuring this out. Oh, he's wearing it. Kind of looks like a wizard hat. Alright, let's head back up here and finish that snowman. Oh, we get a treat again. Nom nom nom. Alright, let's go back to the campfire in the center and we'll finish our snowman. Alright, here we go. Let's see what's gonna happen. Woohoo! Oh, he's free! Camera, let's get a selfie. Ooh. That's a lot of treats. Thank you for playing. Woo! I think I did the entire game. Oh, that's cool. Got some behind the scenes stuff. So it looks like they were making it out of paper to kind of get an idea. Oh, I see. So they actually hand painted these things in real life. It looks like from this video here, they hand painted it and then they like scanned it in and then textured it. That is really cool. I thought it was maybe just hand painted using Blender's texture painting, but it looks like it was actually hand painted with like watercolors. Yeah, that's the path. Whoa. Okay, and then they probably use geometry nodes to make the path? I'm not sure. That's really cool to see the process. It looks like they even used clay to like model things to make the dog. Looks like they're doing some sculpting, maybe some retopologizing, and some rigging. There's the rigging of the dog. Oh, and the birds too. The birds were also created by hand. And then they were like, I think they like scanned in the textures, scanned them in flat. And there we go. So I played the entire game. That's my first like gamer video on YouTube. I've never made a gaming video on YouTube. So there we go. That's my playthrough of this game. So thank you guys for watching. It's a fun game. It's totally free if you want to try it on Steam. But that'll be it for this video. So thank you for watching.